What if I told you that the secret to getting stronger, moving better, and feeling younger after 60 isn't just about walking every day? Imagine this. You walk every morning, rain or shine, just like you've been told for years. Your doctor praises your commitment. Your friends admire your dedication. But one day, you try to get up from a low chair and your legs feel weak, or you stumble on a step and your balance just isn't there. You wonder, how can this be? You walk every day. Isn't that enough? Here's the truth nobody tells you. Walking is great for your heart and your mood, but it's not enough to keep your muscles strong, your balance sharp, or your independence secure after 60. Walking moves your legs in one simple, repetitive motion. It doesn't challenge your upper body, your core, or your balance systems, and it does almost nothing to stop the muscle loss that accelerates with age. That's why top doctors and physical therapists now recommend 3 simple exercises that work better and faster than daily walking for seniors. These moves target the exact muscles and systems that walking misses. You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or even to stand for long periods. All you need is a sturdy chair, a little motivation, and a few minutes a day. Before we dive in, I want to know, where are you watching from, and what's your name? Please share in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps our community grow and lets me know you want more videos like this. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Sit to stand. This is the king of real-life strength for seniors. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or keep your hands on your thighs for support. Lean forward slightly, press through your heels, and stand up slowly. Pause, then sit back down with control. Don't just plop into the chair. Repeat 8 to 12 times, or as many as you can comfortably do. If you need to, use your hands to help at first, but try to rely more on your legs as you get stronger. If 8 reps feels like too much, start with 3 or 5 and build up over time. Consistency is key. Doing this exercise a few times a week can make a huge difference. Why is this so important? Because every time you get up from a chair, a toilet, or your bed, you're using the same muscles. If those muscles are weak, daily life becomes harder, and your risk of falls goes up. Studies show that seniors who practice sit-to-stands regularly have better mobility, fewer falls, and even recover faster after surgery. It's a simple move, but it's a game changer. Exercise 2. Seated knee extensions. This move targets your quadriceps, the muscles on the front of your thighs that help you stand, walk, and climb stairs. Sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend your right leg out in front of you, straightening your knee as much as possible. Hold for a second, then lower it back down. Switch to your left leg. Alternate legs for 10 to 12 reps each. If you want to make it more challenging, hold the extended position for 2 to 3 seconds, or add a light ankle weight. This move is especially helpful for people with knee pain or arthritis, because it strengthens the muscles that support your joints without putting pressure on them. Seated knee extensions are a favorite of physical therapists because they're safe, effective, and easy to do at home. Strong quadriceps protect your knees, absorb shock, and make everyday movement safer. Research shows that seniors who do knee extensions regularly have less knee pain, better balance, and more confidence walking. Exercise 3. Heel raises. This move is often overlooked, but it's absolutely essential for stability and fall prevention. Stand behind your chair, holding the back for support. Place your feet hip-width apart. Slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold for a second, then lower back down with control. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. As you get stronger, try doing them without holding on, or add a second set. Heel raises strengthen your calves and ankles, which are crucial for pushing off each step and keeping your balance. They also help prevent that wobbly feeling that can make stairs seem scary. Strong calves mean more power, more stability, and less risk of tripping or slipping. Doctors and therapists recommend heel raises because they improve circulation, reduce swelling, and help keep your legs feeling light and energized. Studies show that seniors who do heel raises regularly have a lower risk of falls and better walking speed. Let's put it all together in a simple routine you can do every day. Sit tall in your chair, feet flat on the floor. Take 3 deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Roll your shoulders forward and back for 30 seconds each. Sit to stand. Cross your arms over your chest or keep your hands on your thighs. Lean forward slightly, press through your heels, and stand up slowly. Pause, then sit back down with control. Repeat 8 to 12 times. Seated knee extensions. Sit tall, extend your right leg straight out, hold for a second, then lower. Alternate legs, 10 to 12 reps each. Heel raises. Stand behind your chair, hold the back for support. Rise up onto your toes, hold for a second, then lower down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. If you want to make it more challenging, add a second set of each exercise or slow down the movement to really feel your muscles working. You can also try doing the exercises without using your hands as you get stronger. One of the best things about these exercises is that they're safe for almost everyone. But as always, listen to your body. If you feel pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath, stop and rest. It's normal to feel a little sore when you're starting out, but you should never feel sharp pain. Drink plenty of water, wear comfortable clothes, and make sure your exercise space is safe and free of obstacles. You might be wondering, how long will it take to see results? The answer is sooner than you think. Many seniors notice more strength, better balance, and easier movement within the first 2 weeks. After a month, you may find you're standing up from your chair with less effort, walking with more confidence, and even looking forward to your daily routine. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. Every time you finish your routine, give yourself a pat on the back. Write down your wins, no matter how small. Maybe you stood up a little easier, felt steadier walking, or just felt happier after moving. These victories add up and keep you motivated. If you ever feel stuck or bored, try changing things up. Play your favorite music, exercise in a different room, or invite a family member to join you. There are also plenty of free videos online for seniors, so you can always find new routines to try. Remember, it's never too late to start. You are not too old, too stiff, or too out of shape to make a change. Every day is a new opportunity to take care of your body and mind. The most important thing is to start right where you are, with what you have. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from and your name. Your support means so much, and I love hearing your stories. You've got this. Take that first step today and see how much better you can feel. One day, one move, one breath at a time.